Peace and love to everybody. Today we're going to ride to the Lords of Gastown Moto Ranch for a children's charity event. Start out in the rain, no big deal. Before we get to the ranch, we have a couple of stops. First, we're going to stop at the Red House, which has somehow become a major photo opportunity for local motorcyclists. Gord's never been, so we're going to stop and take pictures at the Red House first. Next stop is at Barnes Harley-Davidson, where Kevin is going to trade in his Sportster right there in front of me for a nice Heritage Classic. And then from Barnes we're going to head for the Lords of Gastown Moto Ranch for the charity event. A lot of beautiful classic cars and trucks, and a lot of beautiful bikes. There's a lot of vendors there and a lot of food trucks. A lot of fun. Parade grounds, we have axe throw in the corner over there. There's a petting zoo for the kids. preliminaries for the taco eating contest.
Go fast, go fast. Go on, one. I forgot all their names, so I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. Holy, number 3, I think. Oh, no. 3, 4. 4's in the lead. 4's in the lead. 3's in second place. 1 minute. Oh, no. No, no. Big lead by first. Oh, I got between 1 and 4 right now. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Look at Marie. If you're not, put your hands up. Look at Marie. Marie.
And the winner of the preliminaries takes on the winner from last year. Your new winner! There's also 50-50 tickets, raffle tickets, there's a live band, there's a silent auction, other money-raising events for the children. We decided to go for supper at a local pub, Sam's. Recommend it, great food. Well, that's my Lords of Gastown children's charity event. I hope you enjoyed it. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, RSamson. Goodbye, everybody.